Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys some new gadgets I bought for my car. Got them shipped in, collect them today. Just bear with me a moment, giving the dog some water. As you can see, Tokyo doesn't want the pond to full. She always try to drink from the hose. So yeah, let me just get this filled first. She doesn't want to wait. Tokyo has grown pretty big. Strider is close by the car, so I'm gonna show you guys Strider also. Alright, just a moment guys. Alright guys, so there is Strider. For all the persons who haven't seen in a long while. Strider! Strider! Pretty grown up. Very big. All the leash and collar I bought for him, he destroyed, so I had to use the chain. This is the only thing I think can hold him right now. Alright, so let's jump into the car. Alright, so I bought a few stuff I want to show you guys. Got them picked up today. These are my Shamai. Alright, so here I have a Bluetooth FM transmitter. I'm gonna try it out to see what it can actually do. It said support hand-free 2 music playing mode, FM radio, fast charging. Well, the radio in the car is already with Bluetooth, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna use that aspect of this. I've pulled the box already. It's really cool. And I like the blue LED light around it. Gives the car a great look. I'm gonna show you guys shortly how it looks. So yeah, this is for your phone channel. And the charging ports here. I think this part can also use the flash drive for the music or whatever you want to play. Alright, what else we got here? Yes guys, I had to get a car cover. Doesn't make sense, you wash the car every second and by the time you're ready to drive, it's dirty. So I bought a ultralight car cover. I'm gonna put this over the car shortly so you guys can see if it fit. You're gonna unbag this with me, so I don't know if it can fit as yet, so you're gonna see first hand, just like how I'm gonna see also, but hopefully it will fit. If not, then I've got to buy a bigger one. So let's see. Alright guys, so next up, what we have here also, yes guys, it's a 12-volt vacuum. This one you use to plug where the 12-volt is. So I'm also gonna use this shortly so you guys can actually see. I deliberately had the car get a bit dirty so I can check out this to see if it actually works. See if the vacuum is strong, because based on the pictures here, it should be able to do the job. So let's check out these new gadgets. Alright guys, so I'm actually in the front now, so I'm gonna get the car key placed in. So it's making that sound because the door is open while I'm doing this. They're gonna stay open. So let me just put this inside. Show you guys the LED light. It's really nice. So it's fitting here like this. Yeah, really like that LED light. I'll show you guys. Looks really good. Yeah, like that light. Let me turn off the flash on this so you can get a better view. See how nice that look? Yeah, really like that. So I bought another Bluetooth. No, not Bluetooth. Adapter here. So any one of my local subscriber interested in getting this, you can just leave it in the comment. I'll pass this one to you because I'm not gonna use this one again. Alright, if you're my local subscriber and interested in this for your car, just leave it in the comment. I'll pass this on to you. Alright, let's move along to I think I'm gonna try the car cover before I do the vacuuming, so let's try the car cover, guys. Alright guys, so I think for the sake of trying the car cover, I'm gonna get these side view mirrors closed. Probably can fix better. So let me just get them closed. And if you want to get them closed, all you need to do is press this button right here and they're gonna close. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys. Let me shine on this one here. It's gonna be closed now. Alright, great job. Get the keys out. Oh, didn't care about the window. Alright, windows up. Rear view mirrors closed. Alright, so let me see if I can get this open and put it over the car. So, just a moment. Alright guys, so this is a final look. Based on how it fits this car, pretty much you can see that it was made for a sedan, and my car would be classified as a wagon, but it fits better than leaving the car not covered after wash, because it's gonna get really dusty. Fits really well. I like it. What you guys think? And this part can come down a bit more. So yeah, fits it really well. Kind of like how it look. Just this part kind of leave outside, but that's cool. Can live with that. So yeah guys, comment, tell me what you think about everything. Alright, so let's move along to the vacuum. Alright guys, so let's check out the vacuum and see what this has to offer. Adjust the camera a bit. Get this pulled. Only hope this vacuum is strong. You know the cars can get really dirty at times. I should have a knife for this, but alright, got it ripped off. Oh wow, looks good. So I got a hose here. That's good. This looks like the filter. Brush. This is pretty cool. Vacuum with a brush. That's good. What else? I got another small brush, probably to reach in those tight spots. What else we got here? So I have the vacuum itself. It's not light. You know, most times when you have appliance and they're light, that tells a lot about the appliance. Well, this one is not light. I think it would have a mode button or a power button, but no. Alright. This is the plug inside, and the wire seems pretty long. Hope when I plug this in the front, hope the vacuum can reach around the trunk. So yeah, put that right there. What's this? Oh, this is another funnel, whatever you might call it. Check out this. Alright, manual comes with it. Oh wow, that's nice. I wonder if this is a let me smell it. It says have a nice day, so I'm gonna hang this up in the car, courtesy of my vacuum company. And of course, wow, best part, comes with our case, so I don't have to keep it in the box. I'm gonna keep it in the box for a while, but it's gonna be in this, inside this case. And you know, when this case is here with everything, it's easier to handle. Got a handle here. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna plug in the vacuum, put it together, and then I'll be back with you guys. Alright guys, so the first thing I wanted to check was if the vacuum is able to reach the trunk. So yeah, so this is the plug-in section, and the vacuum is around the trunk. So let me go around the trunk. This is the wire here, and there's the vacuum. So yeah, the wire is pretty long for the vacuum, guys. So it's in the trunk now, and the wire goes straight up to the dashboard. So yeah, it's pretty long. I like that. So let's get it plugged in for the first time. Alright, I got my slippers on. Think I'm gonna deliberately take some dust inside the car. Yeah, got a little dust in there. Let's see what this vacuum can do. Alright guys, speaking about dust, check out this section. This is the passenger side. Has a lot of dust. So yeah, I'm gonna get it plugged in for the first time. So this is off, and let me take out this, and that can stay right there. Alright, so it's in. It's not really shaking a lot. Alright, so let's check out the vacuum if it's gonna turn down now. Oh no, Nothing. All right. Oh, the car is not start. My bad. All right, guys. So don't be like me. The car gotta be turned on. All right, guys. I was wondering, like, my vacuum not working. So yeah, you gotta turn on the car, guys. All right. So let's check it again. Wow. Sounds good. All right. So the breeze, the air from the filter, it's coming through these vents. So it's blowing directly back at me. So I'm not really sure if that's something good, being that it's sucking the dust and then it's blowing back the air at me, the person that is using it. I don't think that is good. So if the vents could have been pointed in another direction, I think that would be better. But let's vacuum and see if the dust is actually gonna come to me. All right, let me check it out now. Check out these dust. All right, so I have the brush and the hose. I'm gonna check it without the brush to see how strong the vacuum is. Just a moment. Alright, so you see you have some dust here. A lot of dust, stone. Let's check it out. Yeah. Whoa, it's strong. Yeah guys, it's strong. Whoa, it's strong, man. Yeah guys, really strong. Alright, so yeah, really strong. So I'm gonna get the car vacuum, guys. Check out this section. Yeah, it can do the job. Really nice, strong for its size. And I don't really see the dust coming back from the vent, so I think we're good in that regards. So I'm gonna get the entire car vacuum, guys, then I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you're able to see, but this is the trunk, and everything that you're seeing right here is dirt. So I'm gonna get rid of this. See how easy that is? Yeah, so we have some over the other side too. Yeah guys, so that's a lot of us. Remember, I carry the birds, carry feeding for the birds, feeding for the dogs. So I'm gonna need a vacuum in handy. Alright, so this for demonstration, this is the manual. Let me see how strong it is. Yeah guys, Real strong, I like it. I think the only thing I would want the company that make this vacuum to put on it is a flashlight. Probably somewhere right here. A flashlight, so when you're vacuuming those dark spots, you can actually get a better sight, better lighting. But all in all, it's a great vacuum. I would give it a thumbs up. What you guys think? And I think that's it for this update. Many more updates to come, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like, leave a comment. Alright guys, see you in the next episode.